Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. For 3 years, we pride ourselves in teaching young school leavers skills and skill acquisition capable of turning them into entrepreneurs. We enable them to see problems and turn them into opportunities. We do all this using our website www.sunshineresources.org.ng and our YouTube channel. We have dozens and dozens of YouTube videos in our channel. We came up with this curriculum for young school leavers after we realized that a conventional school system can only turn learners into job seekers at the end of the day and nothing else. And this is not healthy in time like this in our society when unemployment statistics continue to grow astronomically. We do not only give them skills, but we also furnish our learners with valuable information that will enable them to compete and succeed in the entrepreneurship ecosystem. Today we're going to give one of such information, and that is how to register your product with NAFDAC, part 2. In the part 1 of this lesson series, we talked about application and method of application. We also talked about product and product labeling. In today's edition, we will be talking about product, that is criteria for establishment of sachet water factory. We will also look at method of inspection. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so that you can have instant access to our resources each time we release them. Criteria for registration of bottled and sachet water by NAFDAC in Nigeria. For people that want to go into production businesses like making of yogurt, sachet water, fruit juice, etc. in commercial quantity, you will need to get NAFDAC certification. This is a permit given to you by an agency of government that is solely concerned about safety of commodities that goes into the Nigerian market. The agency is out to safeguard the health of the public by regulating the activities of indigenous manufacture of food and household products. NAFDAC pays attention to the following criteria. Sites. That is where the commodity is coming from. The recommended site for your food manufacturing industry, example bottled water, is usually a 2 or 3 bedroom flat, non-residential. The environment should be free from any form of pollution. The building should only be meant for production activities. Such production outfit should have the following facilities. The store. The store is made up of 2 types. Store 1 is where the factory raw materials are kept. All factory usable materials are kept safe from contamination after they have been sterilized. The second store is where finished products are kept before they are sold to customers. Cloak room. All factory staff must be in the production outfit during production. The production cloaks are laboratory coat, head cover, nose mask and hand gloves. The staff changes these uniforms in the cloak room. Production room. This is where production takes place. NAFDAC officials are very much concerned about the neatness of the production room. The production room should be well aerated, hygienic and strategically located. It should be far from the factory toilet facilities. The floor of the production room should be tiled. Staff are not allowed to enter production room with footwears and should be out of bounds to all visitors. These instructions should be placed at the door to the production room, and the production manager and quality control manager should ensure that people who visit the factory obey these rules and regulations. Quality control manager's office. The quality control manager must have a good qualification in any of the physical or biological sciences and must be conversant with production processes. Director's office. This is optional. Then customers' waiting room. This is the reception of the organization. Restrooms. This is also another important room in the factory. It must be situated far from the production room. Personnel. NAFDAC is also very particular about the personnel you employed in your factory. It is important for you to keep their data base very well, as they can request for them anytime. The production manager should design the production room in such a way that he or she can easily explain the flow of water through the systems. Pre-inspection plan. At the point of inspection, NAFDAC expects you to gather all your staff and introduce them one by one. Preceding this task, you must have to make photocopy of all the staff details and submit them in their office before the inspection can take place. Post-inspection. NAFDAC will subject your product to laboratory tests periodically to ensure that it has no harmful substances or contaminated with pathogenic bacteria. This will be done in their standard laboratories situated in Kaduna or Lagos. This will be done at the manufacturer's expense. NAFDAC regulates broad spectrum of products such as drugs, table water, bottled drinks, beverages, bread, confectionaries, medical devices, cosmetics, soap, detergent, and all other consumables. In all the items listed above, NAFDAC pays more attention to items that people consume into their body system, that is all food and food-related substances. At the completion of your registration process, which usually follow a very stringent measures, you will be issued with NAFDAC registration number, which is subjected to withdrawal if you violate their policies, but subjected to renewal periodically if you keep their policies. I hope you find this information useful. If you do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can make your comment or ask your questions in the comment box below this video. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.